In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pan animation on photos in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add smooth movement to a still image so it feels dynamic and engaging, perfect for social posts, slides, or simple video edits. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva with the photo you want to animate visible on the canvas. To get started, click directly on the photo to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and handles around the image. If you don't see those, try clicking once more, or make sure you're not accidentally selecting the background or another layer. Selecting the correct layer is important because the animation options only appear for the item that's active. With the photo selected, look toward the top toolbar and press Animate. This button sits above the canvas along the main action bar and opens a panel or drop-down of animation styles. If the animate button doesn't appear, double-check that the photo is highlighted. The button won't show for unselected elements. Inside the animation options, find and choose Pan. The pan animation adds gentle motion across your photo, mimicking the classic Ken Burns effect you see in documentaries. It's great for drawing attention, creating a sense of direction, or making static images feel more alive without overwhelming your design. After choosing pan, pick the direction you want the movement to go. You'll typically see options like left, right, up, or down. As you hover over or select a direction, Canva usually shows a quick preview so you can sense how the motion will look. Think about the story you want to tell. Panning left or right can lead the viewer across a landscape or guide the eye toward text on one side of your design, while panning up or down can emphasize height, reveal a skyline, or create a subtle reveal from bottom to top. A helpful tip is to consider the composition of your photo when selecting the direction. If your main subject sits on the right, a pan from right to left can introduce it gracefully. If your text or logo is placed at the top, an upward pan can support that focal point. The key is to let the motion complement your layout rather than compete with it. That's all there is to it. Click the photo, press Animate, choose Pan, and pick your direction. With these simple choices, you can transform a still image into a smooth, professional-looking motion graphic in just a few seconds.